In this video we will learn about how can we find the value if we have given any formula and the values of the uh, different symbols which are used. It is given, then how can we find the solution, or how can we find the value of the given number. For example, here d is equal to u plus v divided by 2 inside the square brackets, and then t is given, right? And in your question they will give find capital D when u is equal to 3, v is equal to 11, and t is equal to 5. So this is very easy question. Just you have to replace the values of u, v and t which is given in this question, and then after applying putting the values we will simplify them. U is here 3, v is here 11 divided by 2 of this formula inside the parentheses or square brackets, and capital T value is 5. So first of all, you know about the BODMAS rule. You have to solve the brackets. Then if you have given the power or exponents values whatever in the order, so you will do that thing. If it is not given, you have to move forward and you will check whether the next application is given or not. The next application it will be, and if it is not present here, leave it. Multiplication, leave it. And then addition, we can see the addition. So first of all we will solve the brackets, and inside the brackets we have to do the addition first. 3 plus 11 14 divided by 2 5. 14 by 2 will give you 7, and 5, the answer will be 35. So this is the way you will solve the given formula, given equation. This is the equation, or you can say this is the formula. Just put the values in the given formula and then simplify it, right? Next is P. P is for perimeter. 2 times length, 2 times width. Find capital P perimeter when length is this and width is this. You have to keep in mind the symbols also. So in this case P will become 2 times L is 5.4 centimeter plus a formula 2 of formula, and width will be 2.1 centimeter. Next step, you will just use the BODMAS rule. Again in this situation we have multiplication first. We will do multiplication first and then do the addition. 2 multiplied by 5.4, it will give you 4 times 2 is 8 point with centimeter, and 2 multiplied by 2.1 it will give you 2 4.2 and centimeter. Add them, 10.8 and 4.2. 8 add to 10, it will go here. 4 add 1 will give you 5. So our answer will be 15.0 centimeter. You can see it's very simple. Just you have to put the values and simplify them by using BODMAS rule. Next is area equal to length into width. Find A when length is 6.5 centimeter and width is 3 centimeter. Just put the values in this given formula. Our length is 6.5 centimeter and our width is 3 centimeter. When there is no sign, they are multiplying with each other. Keep it in mind, right? That's why I put here multiplication sign. So 19.5 centimeter will be our answer. In next question, you have a distance is equal to speed into time, right? So find distance when speed is this and time is 2 hours. So what I will do, I will just put the values of speed, which is 40 meter per hour. So 40 meter per hour can be written like that. Per hour mean it is divided by hour, and multiply by t, which is 2 hours, right? In the next step, 40 multiply by 2, and unit will multiply with unit, right? Hour divided by hour will cancel each other, right? 40 times 2 will give you 80 meter. So this is our distance, right? In this way you can solve it easily. Next question is that to calculate the time of a journey, we use the formula time, that is equal to distance divided by speed. Find t when d is equal to 100 miles and speed is 70 miles per hour. So formula is given. This is our formula. Simple, put the values of d, which is 200 is here, miles, and s is 70 mile per hour. So time will equal to, distance is 200 miles divided by speed is 70 miles per hour. So it will become 200 by 7 and mile divided by mile per hour. So main bracket sign is this hour will go here and will multiply here, and mile will cancel mile, right? So 200 by 7, if we will do its division, 14, then 35, 1 0 used here, 1 0 used here, 1 0 here, 1 0 here. So next 0 we are taking, so I will put point sign here, and after this point sign number of zeros I can use here, right? So 7 times 5 will be 35, and 7 times 7 is 49, and 1 and 0 it will go on. So our answer will be like 28.57 with hours. So this is our time, and the unit of time will be here hour. Next is W by H square is the formula used to calculate body mass index BMI. W is equal to weight in kilogram, H is equal to height in meter. Calculate the BMI for someone who is 1.86 meter tall and weighs 70 kg. So BMI weight formula is given W by H square. So BMI is equal to W over H square, and W is here 70 kg, and height is here 1.86 meter, but it will be in square, right? So here 70 divided by 1.86 into 1.86, and the unit will be kilogram per meter square. For the calculation of these, we can use the calculator, and you can easily solve the question by using the calculator. You will multiply 1.86 with 1.86. So when 1.86 is multiplied with 1.86, it will give you something like 3.4596, and the unit will remain the same, right? After that, what you have to do, 70 divided by 3.4596, and it will give you something like answer 20.2335. so it will be 3 kg per meter square. So that will be our answer, right? So it's very simple. You have to use the calculator here. The next question is I is equal to PRT is the formula used to calculate simple interest. I is for interest, P is for principal amount borrowed, and R is the rate, percent as a decimal, and T time of loan. Calculate the interest on a loan of £5,000 over 3 years with an interest rate of 12%. So the formula which we will use is that formula, right? So first of all, I will write the formula P R T. Calculate the interest on a loan of £5,000 over 3 years. Time period is here 3 years, right? Time of loan T, right? R is the rate, and rate here is 12%, right? And P is principal amount which is borrowed, and the principal amount borrowed or loan is 5,000. So we will write here P is equal to £5,000, right? Just put these values T, P, I, R in this question and you will get the interest. So P here is 5,000, R here is 12%, and time is 3 years, right? Percentage mean out of 103. Double zero will cancel double zero. 12 multiplied by 3 will give you 36, right? £1,800. So interest for 3 years period of time will be £1,800, right? 50 multiplied by 36. This is the calculation, 50 multiplied by 36. So this is the way you can solve the questions by using the BODMAS rules, and these are the different formulas in which different values are given, and how can we use these questions, these methods by using BODMAS rule, brackets, order, whatever, exponent is given or power is given, and then division, and then multiplication, after multiplication addition and subtraction. So these are the things we have to solve them like that. Just put their values, whatever the values are given, and after simplify them you can get the value of the formula, whatever formula is given.